I just want to explain this video. Basically, when my friend burps, he literally burps so much. Like, see when he drinks a fizzy drink, it's honestly so funny. And I've decided to call this video Demon Burping, because it's literally every burp is a demon burp. Like, it's so loud and, like, violent. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.
The sad thing is, he's just like filming like a poor kid in front of us drinking Coca-Cola and burping.
Oh, what the hell can I do? Somewhere private. So back to the skills.
Spooky, scary skeleton. Oh, it's empty.
Oh no, this is where he dies. This is actually where he dies. This guy's had 4 fizzy drinks just today. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know, I'm sorry, but
We're so mature. We're laughing at a person drinking a can of Coke. This is his warm-ups. That's the door. Oh!
oh!
Right, I'll stop filming now.
I got
As the burping stop.
Oh god. Oh you go, I don't want this anymore. Take it!
Oh! If you ever feel like you're gonna be sick at all, tell me, I'll film it.
Yay!
Yay! Oh my god, I just like... Oh. Guys, I'm serious, this part sounds like a legit bass drop. Are you ready?
Oh, that's even the grand finale.
Nah, that's a demon burp, but it's fine. Guys, I'm literally waiting for the part where this kid's sick up his kidney. I'm not even kidding. We're assaulting, we're making him burp for a YouTube video.
This is abuse!
Oh, that sounded horrible. Could you say that in English, please? I can't stop laughing, he can't stop burping. I'm sorry.
Wait,
How have you not been sick?
I like make the ground shake.
Are you okay?
Are you sure like your intestines are still the same? What intestines? Are you sure you're wrong?